Hello everyone, welcome to Java tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to cover two topics. One is how to take user input and second one is Java while loop. So first thing, how to take user input. So in Java we have this scanner class. With the help of this scanner class we can read any integer, any character or a string from the user. Suppose we want to take a input from the user which is a integer value, and for that we have this scanner class. We will create first the object of scanner class with the help of its constructor, passing the system.in to the parameters, and after that we can take the input from the user, and then we can store that input in some variables. And second topic is Java while loop. So in our previous tutorial, we have already covered the topic for loop. In for loop, we have three things. One is initialization, another is condition, and increment or decrement. But in this while loop, we have single condition. If that condition is true, it will execute the line of code inside the parenthesis or this curly braces. Unless this condition is false, this code will execute, and when this condition is false it will terminate the loop. So let's see this with the help of an example. What we will do, we will create a class, right click new and class. We will take the name as while loop example. This is the name of my class, public static void main, and yes, now we have this class. So first we will cover the topic how to take user input and display that input on the console. So as I told you that we have scanner class, scanner, we have this scanner class. New scanner, and we will pass system dot into this scanner class. We will import the scanner class. Yes, so we have this scanner class, and once this object of this class is created, we will ask the user to enter any number. System.out.println, and we will ask the user please enter any number. And we will store that number in a variable int a is equal to scanner dot has int, and whatever value the user will enter, that value will be stored in the a, and after that we can display that value with the help of system.out.println a is equal to a. We have this a. Let's run this program and see the output. 10, a is equal to 10. As you can see that let's run it again. It is asking for the number, so I have entered 100. A is equal to 100. So whatever input the user will give, that will be stored on the console. Now suppose now we will do the example of the while loop. So how to use this number in a while loop? What we will do, we will ask the user to enter any number, and after that we will print all the integer numbers in between 1 and that number. So we have that particular number inside a. So how we will use, what is the syntax for the while loop? While parenthesis and curly braces. Inside this while loop we will pass, we can pass or int I is equal to 1. I have another variable I whose value is 1. So while I is less than equal to a, this is my condition, system dot out dot println I. We are displaying I unless it is less than equal to a, and we are incrementing this value of I plus plus. Now let's see the output. We have saved the program and please enter any number. I have entered number 10. So it should display all the number in between 1 and 10. So as you can see that a is equal to 10 and it has display all the number in between a and 1 and 10. So let's run it again. Suppose it's 100. As you can see that it has displayed all the numbers in between 1 and 100. So how it is working exactly? Let's go through from the starting of the program. In the starting, first statement is package. So this class, name of my class is while loop example. It's a public class and this class is inside my package. And second thing is we have import one more class, that is scanner class. This class we will use for the input purpose. And after that, this is my main class, which is a public class. And inside this main class, I have a method, public static void main method, from where the program will execute. And first thing which I have done is I have created an object of scanner. And this object of scanner is used to take the input from the user. So it will ask the user to enter a number, and that number will be stored in the integer a. And after that we have displayed that number a is equal to a. Then I have another variable I is equal to 1, and this is my while loop. This is syntax for the while loop. While is the keyword and parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we will pass some condition and it will execute this loop unless this condition is false. And here we have put the condition I is less than equal to a. So initially value of I is 1 and value of a is suppose 10. So 1 is less than 10, which is true. So it will execute the code inside this loop. System.out.println I. It will display 1 on the console. Then I plus plus. It increment the value of I to 2. Then it again check if 2 is less than 10. If that is true, it will display the 2. Then again, when its value incremented to 11, 10, 10 is less than equal to 10, that is true. So it will display the 10. When it became 11, 11 is not less than equal to 10. So that is false. So it will came out of the loop. So this is how this while loop will work. And what we can do, we can use a break statement in order to break the loop. Suppose if I is equal to 5, then break the loop. This is my one more condition, that when the value of I reaches to 5, please break the loop. And let's see how it will work. I've entered value 10. as you can see that when the value of I become 5, it is not displaying the number on the console. If we can use continue keyword here, so even if the value of same is the case with the continue. If we a is equal to 10, when a is equal to 5, this continue will break the loop. We have break. So with the help of this break, when we enter the value 10, when it reaches the value I is equal to 5, it will break the loop. So today we have covered two topics. One is how to take user input and how to display that on console, and how to execute the while loop.